ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणे विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविवसंपृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमाविद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। After the Kshatriya, we have seen Karmani Prayoga, Vartamana Lat Lakara, Karmani Prayoga we have seen. Now Bhutakala, that is Karmani Lang. It's a good connection. Karmani Lang, after that Karmani Lang, and connected with that Bhute Karmani, you will see Ta Pratyaya. So that is how the connection will be. That is the past participle. Present participle, then present passive, then past passive, then after that past participle. So there is a connection. So now the next topic is Karmani Bhute. Bhute is Bhutakala. That is Lang, Karmani Lang. Lang Lakare Karmani Prayogaha. For Bhute, we know that Agama to be added. At Agama. At Agama to be added to the Dhatu. Before we add Upasarga, if at all if Upasarga is there. Upasarga to be added after adding the Agama, At Agama. If the Dhatu begins with the consonant Haladi, Haladau, Haladi Dhatu. So, Haladi Dhatoho At Agamaha. If it is Ajadi, then At Agama. If At Agama comes, then Vriddhi will happen. At Agama, At A plus then the Ach, the vowel. That is the Ajadi Dhatu. Dhatu beginning with Ach. Vriddhi will happen. That is the common thing we know. Then the Karmani, then the Lang Pratyaya will come. Then Lang Pratyaya, since it is Karmani, therefore Atmanipadi. Atmanipadi Lang. Atmanipadi Lang is we know that ta atam anta, ta atam ata, tas atam dum, it vagi mahi. So that to be added. That is general original pratyaya I am saying. Corresponding to the lakara, it will change. It's lang lakara, so accordingly will be there. Then yak pratyaya will come, adhatuka pratyaya. So therefore you will get the form. Example, if you take pat dhatu, pat plus ta is a pratyaya, prathama purusha ekavachana, ta pratyaya. Then yak will come, pat plus yak plus ta. Then attagama will come, apatyata. In Vartamana, it will be apatat. Sorry, in Kartari, it will be apatat. In Karmani, it is apatyata. Even though the dhatu is Parasmipadi, in Karmani Prayoga, all the dhatus, whether Parasmipadi or Atmanipadi, it will take only Atmanipadi pratyas. Therefore, apatyata, patadhatu, taking the Atmanipadi pratyaya, and the yak pratyaya walking in between the dhatu and the pratyaya, attagama added to it, and the resultant will be apatyata. Similarly for all. So here, because yak is coming, therefore no guna will happen. Yak being kit pratyaya, or dhatuka kit pratyaya, therefore guna is negated. So this, already we have practiced this. This is the harmony that we have seen. This is what it is. That is in karmani lat yate yate yante yase yate yatve ye yavage yamage. That is karmani lat. Now karmani lang will be yata yetam yanta yathaha yetam yadvam ye yavage yamage. This you need to remember. Atam anta anta arata, whatever it may be. Taha atham dvam. Then ta atam dvam I vahi mahi. So with that, now yak is added. Yata yetam yanta yathaha yetam yadvam ye yavahi yamahi iti. Uttama purusha dvivachanam bhagavachanam, it will be yavahi yamahi. We know that ya plus vahi will become, that ya will become ya. That rasvakara will become virga. Like in patami, patavaha, patamaha, that you can remember. So you can note these pratyas. Yata, yetam, yanta. So dhatu is pat dhatu, patyata, you add atagama, apatyata. So apatyata, apatyetam, apatyanta. Apatyathaha, apatyetam, apatyadvam. Apatye, apatyavahi, apatyamahi. So this will be the karmani form of the pat dhatu. So now we are going to see for different dhatus belonging to different ganas. The karmani rules, whatever we have seen in the chart, that will remain. That will remain, that there will not be any change in that. Only thing is attagama will come. Now we will read this. The first person, Namaji, can read.
कर्मणि भूते लङ् अधो निर्दिष्टानि वाक्यानि पठत. बालेन
Namaji, adho nirdishtani. Then nirdishtani is, what is nirdishtani?
Shown below.
That is past participle.
First one, yeah, nirdishtai taprati.
Adaha nirdishtani. Nirdishtaha or nirdishtam, nirdishte, nirdishtani qualifies vakyani. Therefore, nirdishtani vakyani. If it is pullinga, that will be nirdishtaha.
निर्दिष्टः.
Tinga, it will be nirdrishta. That is the past part. That is the next topic. Connected to this karmani, connected to the karmani bhuti. Ta pratyaya. If it is kartarik, tavatu pratyaya. So, it will come. Yeah, you can read now.
बालेन पाठः अपठ्यत, भक्तेन देवः अनम्यत.
You can see, you can say, balena pataha apatyata. So, karma and karta, what is adhitam in this? What is adhitam?
Abhihitam is पाठः कर्म. Anabhihitam is bala, karta.
And convert this into kartari also. Balena pataha apatyata. Kartari
Will be balaha patham apatat.
apatat. Okay. This way. Continue.
Maya vidyalaya agamyata, भिक्षुकेन धनम ayachata.
You can convert all the vakyas to kartari also.
Okay. Bhaktena devaha anamyata. Bhaktaha devam anamat. Maya vidyalayah agamyata. Aham vidyalayam agacham. Agacham. Then bhikshukena dhanam ayachyata. Bhikshukah dhanam ayachat. Then chatrena lekah alikhyata. Chatraha lekham alikat. Mahilaya vastram asivyata. Mahila vastram asivyat. Then malaya chitram adrishyata. Mala chitram apashyat. Then dhanikaihi danamadiyata. Dhanikaha danam adadat.
Next person.
Gopalena Vishayaha Ajnayata. So Gopalaha Vishayam Ajayat. Ajayat.
No, Ajanat.
Okay, Ajanat, sorry. Ajanat.
Yadatu. It's a long Ajanat.
Ajanat. Yatrikena Yantram.
Ajanat or Ajanata, both are there because it is Ubeyapadi. Yadatu, Ubeyapadi, therefore both are possible. Yes.
Right. Yantrikena Yantram Akriyata. Yatrikaha Yantram Akuryata.
Akarot, simple, Akarot.
Sorry, Akarot. Matra putraha atadyata. Mata putram atadayata. Atadayat. Krishakena bhumihi akrishyata. Krishakaha bhumim akarot. Sorry, krishyat becomes karshyati maybe. So akarshat. Then bhavata nagaram abhramyata. Bhavata becomes Bhavan. Sorry. So Bhavan nagaram abhramyata becomes abhramat. Then Kriyadakena kandukam akshipyata. Then Kriyadakaha kandukam akshipat. Janaihi vrikshaha akartyat. So janaha vriksham akarshayat. Akarshayat.
Akartyata.
Sorry, akar.
What is a dhatu?
Is it kri dhatu?
Not kru dhatu.
Kri dhatu. Kri.
No, it is not kru dhatu. Akartayata, it will be. Janaha vriksham akartayata.
Akartayata.
It is krit dhatu. It is the churadi gana, 10th gana. So krit will become karti. Okay.
Right.
Dhatu is karti. How it is karti? It is krit will,
Nichagama. Sorry.
which will be added.
Right.
It is karti. You understand the dhatu to be karti. Why it is karti, you will see later. It is not karti. It is
Karti
only, not karti. So karti plus yak plus ta. What will happen? Karti plus yak. Is my voice clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So karti plus yak plus ta. What will happen?
Kartya it becomes.
What will happen to karti? The e will go away.
E will go away.
But we know, right? Why the e
Yes.
go away?
So that's the rule.
Now, what is the rule? How does that e of ni goes away?
Nehe aniti.
Yak is anit.
Nege aniti. That is when anit follows, then the e, that is ni, goes away. Ni goes away. Right? That is,
Right.
then you can see this in the Karmani. I think in Karmani that will be there. Karmani or in the Sandhi chart it is there, I think. Check. In all this you can see, Dhatus of Churakitana. Chur is chori. Chori plus yak plus te. Chori has got that ni, which is there. When yak is added, what will happen to the ni? Ni goes away. This e goes away. That was chor. Similarly, karti is there. E goes away. Becomes kartete. And lang lakara karteta. Right? So dhatu is krit dhatu, which is karti, whose result form is karti. And karti plus yak plus ta, karteta with atagma, akarteta. Okay. You can note akarteta. It is not karti, it is karti only.
Karti.
Dhatu is krita. That is Stanivat Adesha, with one method. Sutra that is, that will not become, the guna is negated. That we will see later. Don't worry about that. You know that. So, the same thing for the other dhatus. This gan dhatu, kat dhatu, all these will become. Okay, what is the janta form of kat?
Kataya.
Katayati, kat anyway, kat is 10th gana only. It is kat dhatu becomes katayati. Gan dhatu will become
Ganayati.
ganayati. Doesn't become ganayati, that doesn't become katayati. Dhatu is katha. That becomes katayati only,
Katayati.
not katayati. Similarly, this also. You remember that much, you will see what it is later. The next one. Next person, Krishna, you can read. Etani vakyani karmani bhutakale santi. Bhutakala rupam smritam chet patyate pravritinam karmani prayoganam bhave prayoganam se bhutakala rupam ayasam vina prapyate. What he says, you know, understand. Atmani bhutakala smritam chet patyate pravritinam karmani prayoganam bhave prayoganam se bhutakalam ayasam vina prapyate. It's easy if you know. Okay.
Okay. Patyate. Apatyat. A plus dhatuhu plus
It's not
yata.
apatyata, it is. Not apatyata.
Apatyata. A plus dhatuhu plus yata. So
Patyata. Okay. Dhatu is Pat Dhatu. Fine.
so in okay. Likyate al alikyata. A plus dhatu plus yata. Okay. So,
Karmani cannot be Pratyat to be Yatha. Pratham is Yatha. So you can remember this for easy derivation. Yatha Yatham Yanta. Yatham Yanta. Ye Yavati Yami. So if you remember this, it will be easy. So Yatha Yatham Yanta. There's suppose you have 7. Adolikitanam. Prathama Bhutakala Rupani. You have to write both. Okay.
Nyayate Ajnayata. Okay. So likyate alikyata. Okay. Kridyate akridyata. Rachyate arachyata. Puryate apuryata. Marjyate amarjyata. Katyate akatyata. Kandyate kandyate akandyata. Driyate adriyata.
Driyate. That's fine.
Driyate.
Driyate.
Sorry, ji.
Driyate, not Driyate.
Driyate. Okay. Adriyata.
You are saying it, making it long. Driyate.
Driyate.
Yes.
Adriyata.
It's Drudhatu. Tukara is replaced by Dri. Tukara is the Tukaranta Dhatu will be replaced by even followed by Yat Pratyaya. So Driyate. Driyata. Okay.
Snayate. Snayate. Asnayata. Stiyate. Astiyata.
Really? Astiyate.
No. Sorry. Atisht.
No, it's right only. Okay, let's ask him. Sta plus replace sta will become steam only. It's correct. Astiyata only. Don't worry, it's correct only.
Okay. Kriyate.
Karmani is Astiyata only.
Akriyata. Okay.
Kartari will be
Kartari will be
Atishtat.
Atishtat.
It will be good at least. We have said that both. We can do it next time.
Kriyate. Akriyata. Piyate.
Kriyate. Kartari will be
Kartri will be Akarot.
yes.
No, is it Ubhayapadi Dhatu? Ubhayapadi.
Please, Ubhayapadi.
Akarot agar Atmanepade would be Akarota. No, sorry. Atmanepade.
What is the form? Anybody? Atmanipadi of Kurudhatu.
Akuruta.
Akurata.
Akuruta. Remember, we are chanting that before. Akuruta, Akurvata, Akurvata. So, Akuruta. Akarot, Akuruta.
Akurata. Okay.
Akarot, Akuruta. That is for both. Right? Akriyata is Karmani. Akarot, Akuruta is Kartari.
Kartari.
Kriyate, it is Lat.
Karmani.
Karmani Lat. What is the Kartari Lat form of Kurudhatu? Kartari Lat.
Karoti.
Karoti. Yeah.
And
Atmanepadi. Kurute.
Kurute. So 4 things are there. Kartari, Karmani for both lat and lam. 4 forms you need to remember. Each dhatu. Next one, piyate.
Piyate, padatu,
Nothing changes. If you not
or nothing.
uh,
So, apiyata.
piyata, piyata. Piyate becomes apiyata.
Apiyata, okay.
Piyate, what will be this Kartari lat?
Pibhati.
Pibati,
Pibati piyate. And karmani, apiyata is karmani. What will be the kartari lam?
kartari, lang.
Apibat.
Apibat.
Apibat, okay.
Pibati piyate. Apibat apiyata. Remember this. Pibati piyate. Apibat apiyata. So for knowing the lung form, for knowing the karmani lung, you need to know kartari lat. Kartari lat, if you know, karmani lung will be easy. So that is the connection also. That is why kartari lat we learn first and then karmani. First lat and then lung. After that, lot and link, that will be, the connection will be there. Next one, Ambedkar 208. This person, Kameshwari. Adolipita Kriyapadanam Vartamana Bhutayoko Kartari Karmani Charupu. Ligata. So, and
Okay. Okay. Patati Vartamana Kartari. In Karmani, it is Patyate. Bhute Kartari Apatat. Bhute Karmani Apatyata.
same way for this dog.
Okay. Likati Kartari Vartamanam. Karmani will be Likyate. Then Bhute Kartari. Alikat. Karmani will be Alikyata. Kridati Varta Karmani will be Kridyate. Bhut Akridat. Akridyat. Akridyata.
Yes.
Akridyata. Agachati gam dhatu. So gamyate. Agachat. Bhutakalam. Then Bhute Karmani will be Agamyata. Agamyata. Chalayati. Karmani will be Chalyate. Chalyate. Chali dhatu. Chalyate. Bhutakala Kartari will be Akshalayat. Akshalayat. Then Akshalyat.
Bhute, okay. Yeah, okay, continue.
Bhute Kartari is Akshalayat. Takara. Then Bhute Karmani will be Akshalyata. Akshalyata. Then Patayati is Pati. So Vartamana Karmani will be Patyate. Then Bhutakala Kartari will be Apatayat. Apatayat. Then Bhuta Karmani will be Apatyate. Janati. Nyada. So Nyayate.
Vartamana Karmani, okay, Nyayate, good. Okay.
It's easy to do Vartamana Kartari and Bhuta Kartari together. Then Kartari, Bhuta Kala Kartari.
You can do like
Ajana.
this. You can do first Kartari and then do Karmani. That will be easy.
That's what I'm
First you do Kartari letter, then you do Karmani letter,
lung.
then you do Karmani lung. Sorry, first you do Kartari and then you do Karmani, but for both. It will be easy.
Okay. Okay.
Or, yeah.
Yeah,
First,
that is easy.
Kartari let and Kartari lung, followed by Karmani let and Karmani lung. That would be easy.
Okay. Okay. Janati will become, that is Bhuta Kala Kartari. ajanat.
Ajanat,
Nyayate.
not ajanat.
Ajanat. Yeah. Ajanat. Vartamana karmani will be nyayate, agnyayata. Karoti, it will be akarot. Then karmani prayoga kriyate, akriyata. Nayati ni dhatu. So kartari bhuta kartari bhute kartari. Anayat. Karmani will be niyate aniyata. Shrunoti, ashrunot. Then karmani will be shruyate ashruyata.
Okay, next person. Samaji. Samaji can.
Grinati, yeah. Grinati, agrinat is bhute kartari.
Agrinat only, not agrinat.
Grinat, okay. Grinati, grihyate is the karmani form, then bhute
Karmani
karmani.
letter. Karmani letter is Vartamana. Anyway, you can say.
Karmani, yeah. Vartamana kale. Then bhute, it is grihyate, agrihyata. Then jigrati, ajigrat is bhute kartari. Then latta kartari is, sorry, yeah. Then vartamana karmani is jigriyate.
Jigriyate. Gradatu becomes, it will not become jigriyate. The dhatu is gra dhatu. Gra, akaranta. What will happen to gra? It will not become G.
Oh,
Jigrati is, you can see that in the Karmani chart. It is there, akaranta dhatu. That is specifically mentioned. Just a minute. It is here. It is Radhatu. One minute. Where it is? It is to become Grayate only, not Griyate, Grayate. Okay.
it's not there.
It's not there here. Okay, example is not there, can be included here later. Okay, anyway, it is Akaranta Dhatu. That will become Grayate. Can be added Dhatu ending with A, other than the above mentioned Dhatus. So that can be added. Grayate.
Okay. So then bhute karmani will be agrayata. Then pashyati, it's bhute kartari will be apashyat. Then karmani, vartamana karmani will be drishyate. Then lang karmani will be adrishyata. Then sprishati, asprishat is bhute kartari.
Yeah, then let karma.
Yeah, R will become
Sprishita dhatu becomes.
sparshyati.
Why sparshit? How can it be? Sprish.
Sprishyati only. Sprishyati only. Sprishyate. So asprishyata is lang karmani. Then harati is hrudatu. Okay. Bhute kartari will be aharat. Then karmani will be hru. So hriyate.
Hriyate. Is hriyate. Now lang karmani will be
Be ahriyata. Yeah. Then dharati is adharat. It is lat lang kartari. Then lat karmani will be dhr dhatu. So dhriyate is the karmani form. Lat karmani. Lang is adhriyata.
Yes.
Then gai dhatu. Then agayat is lat kartari, lang kartari, sorry. Karmani is gai dhatu giyate.
Iyate.
Yeah, giyate. So agiyata is the lang karmani form. Then dhyayate, lang kartari is adhyayat.
Lat
Dhiyat.
kartari. Lat kartari will be diyate.
Dhiyate.
Isa just
So,
now. Akaranta
yeah.
dhatu.
Yeah.
Diyate.
So, yeah,
Sorry,
lang
not diyate.
karmani.
Sorry, not diyate.
No, it is dhyai dhatu.
Dhyai dhatu, not di. Dhyai will become dhya. That is adhechaha upadeshayashiti. By that becomes dhatu is dhyai dhatu, not di. Okay. Dhyai becomes dhyayate. That is akara will not become e. That will remain as it is. This is an example for that. Okay. So, dhyayate.
Dhyayate. Dhyayata. Sorry, ganayati lang kartari is aganayat. Ganyate is vartamana karmani. Bhute karmani will be aganayat, aganyata. Then krinati is akrinat is bhute kartari. Then lat karmani will be kriyate. Then bhute karmani will be akriyata.
The next one, yes, Adolakishta, Chari, Utakale, Likata. Okay, is getting Karmani, is being permanent, let Karmani, and converted to Lang Karmani. So let Karmani.
Your voice breaks, Sharanji. Not clear for me.
It's breaking a bit, Shanji.
Now, just now, right or before?
For me also, it was like that only. It was breaking. So I couldn't hear.
Intermittently, it breaks, Shanji.
If you speak continuously, I think it will not break. There is some.
Yes. Now it's clear.
Okay. Okay, fine. But if you can understand, know what I speak.
Yes, Shanji.
Yes, yes.
Okay. If it breaks, you please tell me then. I will repeat again. So Ganesh, you can do from this lat karmani given, you have to convert that into lang karmani. Okay.
Yes, Shanji.
You can, but
So-
also do kartari also. You can also do kartari. That is lat kartari as well as lang kartari also. Right?
Yes, Shanji. So, balena grantaha
The first example I can do. Balena grantaha patyate it is there. So that is lat karmani. Lang karmani is balena grantaha apatyata. That you have to do. Now, that lat kartari also, that lat karmani also, you can change to lat kartari. That is balaha grantam patati.
patyat
Patati.
patati.
Balaha grantam patati. Now, the lang karmani can be converted to lang kartari. Balaha grantam patat.
Apatat.
So, these forms you can do. Is my voice breaking now?
No, Shanji.
Okay. Yes, please continue.
So, tena geetam giyate. So, tena geetam agiyata. Then, vartamana kale it becomes or okay. Saha geetam gayati. Saha geetam agayat.
Yes.
Then taya shlokaha smaryate. तया श्लोकः अस्मर्यत
Very simple. Okay.
अस्मर्यत.
Already karmani form is given, smarya. You have to replace te by ta and add.
So अस्मर्यत.
Yes.
So सा श्लोकं स्मरति, सा श्लोकम् अस्मरत्.
Yes.
Then मया कार्यं क्रियते, मया कार्यम् अक्रियत. Then अहम् अक्रियत.
Akriyata.
अक्रियत. Then अहं कार्यं करोति, अहं कार्यम् अकुर्वत.
Aham karyam karomi, right?
So
Aham karyam
कार्यं अकुर्म, sorry, अकुर्वम्, अकरवम्, sorry, अकरवम्.
Yes.
अकरवम्. Then भवता वाक्यं लिख्यते. So भवता वाक्यं अलिख्यत. Then भवान् वाक्यं लिखति, भवान् वाक्यं अलिखत्.
Yes.
Then ग्रन्थकारेण ग्रन्थं रच्यते, ग्रन्थकारेण ग्रन्थं अरच्यत.
Grantaha, not grantam.
Right, sorry.
Karmani.
ग्रन्थकारेण ग्रन्थः अरच्यत. Then ग्रन्थकारः ग्रन्थं रचति, ग्रन्थकारः ग्रन्थं अरचत्.
Next person, Krishnanji. 6 to 10.
Yes. कथाकारेण कथा श्राव्यते, कथाकारेण कथा अश्राव्यत.
What is shravyate?
श्राव्यते, listen? No. Is it the Nijanta form?
What is the meaning? Katha karena katha shravyate.
Oh, story was told. Story was told by the.
So shravyate is caused to listen.
Causative.
Bhashate. Right. Shravyate is caused to listen.
Okay.
Okay, continue.
Katha. So in Karturi, Katha Karaha Katham.
Shravyati.
Shravyati. Katha Karaha Katham Ashravyat in long form. Chalakena Yanam Chalyate. Chalakena Yanam Achalyata. Chalakaha Yanam Chalayati. Chalakaha Yanam Achalyat. Balakena Jalam Piyate. Balakena Jalam Apiyata. Balakaha Jalam Pibati. Balakaha Jalam Apibat. Mahilaya Chitram Rachyate. Mahilaya Chitram Arachyata. Mahila Chitram Rachati. Mahila Chitram Rachat. Adhyakshena Sabha Bhushyate. Adhyakshena Sabha Abhushyata. Adhyakshaha Sabham Bhushati. Adhyakshaha
Bhushayati.
Oh, again causative.
It is bhushayati only. Bhushayati.
Bhushayati. Okay, so adhyakshah sabam bhushayati, adhyakshah sabam abhushyat.
Abhushayat.
Abhushayat.
Next person.
सेवकेन प्रकोष्ठः मार्ज्यते, सेवकेन प्रकोष्ठः अमार्ज्यत, सेवकः प्रकोष्ठम् मार्जयति, सेवकः प्रकोष्ठं मार्जयति, सेवकेन सेवकः प्रकोष्ठम् अमार्जयत् then maya vastram kshalyate, maya vastram akshalayat, aham vastram kshalayami, aham vastram akshalayam. देवदत्तेन वेदः ज्ञायते, देवदत्तेन वेदः अज्ञायत. कर्तरि देवदत्तः वेदं जानाति, देवदत्तः वेदं अजानत्. तया चित्रं दृश्यते, तया चित्रम् अदृश्यत. So सा कर्तरि सा चित्रं पश्यति, सा चित्रम् अपश्यत्. भवता धनं दीयते, भवता धनम् अदीयत्. कर्तरि भवती भवान्
not bhavati.
भवान् धनं ददाति, भवान् धनं अददत्. Okay.
Next person. March. 210. Karmani again parivartayata.
Yeah. Balaha grantham apatat. Karmani lang will be balena granthaha apatyata. Then sakashilam akshipat. Tena shila akshipyata. Then esha bhiktim asprishat. Esha etaya bittihi Sharanji. Bittihi asprishyata. Then bhavan tatparyam ajanat. Bhavata tatparyam ajayata.
Ajanat is it? Ajanat. Maybe I will check that. Ajanat. Okay. Anyway, you can take it as Ajanat now. Ajanat. Okay. Ajanat. You can take it as Ajanat. I will confirm that. I think it must be Ajanat. I remember like that. Anyway.
Then bhute karmani will be.
No, this will become nya, no? Nya dhatu, agyayata.
That's okay. I'm talking about the lang lakara of jada.
No, I said wrong. Ajayata, I told. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm talking about this, what is given here. Okay, fine. We'll see that Ajanat, whether it is Ajanat or Ajanat, we'll see that later, tell you later.
So, bhavata tatparyam ajnayata. Then dushtaha sajjanam apidayat. Dushtena sajjanaha apidyata. Sevak. Shall I continue, Sharanji?
Yes, number 5. Yes.
Sevakaha sasyam asinchat. Sevakena sasyam asinchyata.
Next person. 6.
Agnihi griham adahat. So Agnina griham adahyata.
Yes.
Choraha dhanam अचोरयत्, चोरेन धनम् अचोर्यत. अचोरयत or अचोर्यत?
Achoryata.
अचोर्यत. Then 8.
It is Kartari. It is Karmani, Lat Karmani, Choryate. Right? Lat Karmani.
अचोर्यत.
Lam Karmani, Achoryata.
Right. सा वस्त्रम अस्थापयत्. So तया वस्त्रम स्थापयति, स्थाप्यते,
Stapyate.
अस्ताप्यत.
Astapyata. Yes.
कृषकः धेनुम् अपालयत्. कृषकेण धेनुः अपालयत.
Apalyata.
Oh, sorry, अपाल्यत. Then ग्रामीणाः
Graminaha.
सम्यम् अपोषयन्.
Sasyam.
Sorry, सस्यम् अपोषयन्. So ग्रामी
Ina is a Pratipadika. Graminena. Or
ग्रामीणाः
Graminaihi.
बहुवचनं.
Bahuvachan. Graminaihi.
So ग्रामीणैः सस्यम् अपोष्यत्.
Aposhyata. Next one. Krishnanji.
Guruhu dharmam abodhyat. Abodayat. Guruna dharmam abodayata.
Why abodayata?
Abodhyata. Guruna dharmam abodhyata. Okay. Marjaraha मूषकम अखादत. मार्जारेण मूषकम अखाद्यत. मूषकः. मार्जारेण मूषकः अखाद्यत. अहम दुरभ्यासम अत्यजम. मया दुरभ्यासम मया दुरभ्यासम अत्यज्यत.
मया दुरभ्यासः अत्यज्यत.
अत्यज्यत.
दुरभ्यासः अत्यज्यत मया.
गृहस्वामी कष्टम् असहत. गृहस्वामिना कष्टः असह्यत. भवान् देवम् अवन्दत. भवता देवः अवन्द्यत.
अधोलिखितानि रूपाणि स्मरत. कर्मणि भूते रूपम्. अपठ्यत अपठ्येताम् अपठ्यन्त. अरच्यत अरच्येताम् अरच्यन्त. अगीयत अगीयेताम् अगीयन्त. अखाद्यत अखाद्येताम् अखाद्यन्त. अश्रूयत अश्रूयेताम् अश्रूयन्त. अधोलिखितं okay. अदृश्यत oh same like this. अदृश्येताम् अदृश्यन्त. okay. अदुह्यत अदुह्येताम् अदुह्यन्त. अकन्यत अकन्येताम् अकन्यन्त अक्षिप्यत अक्षिप्येताम् अक्षिप्यन्त अनृत्यत अनृत्येताम् अनृत्यन्त अमार्ज्यत अमार्ज्येताम् अमार्ज्यन्त. This akanyat meaning I don't know. The first one also aduhyata. What is the meaning of those two? Aduhyata and akanyat.
Dudhatu means
Ah.
listen. Dudhatu is to milk.
Oh, okay.
Kan is to dig.
Okay, kanati. Okay.
Yes.
Then aganyata, aganyetam, aganyanta.
Next
Achalya.
Ramaji.
अचाल्यत अचाल्येताम् अचाल्यन्त अपूज्यत अपूज्येताम् अपूज्यन्त अबुध्यत अबुध्येताम् अबुध्यन्त अहस्यत अहस्येताम् अहस्यन्त अचिन्त्यत अचिन्त्येताम् अचिन्त्यत.
Yes, Sattubantu. Although निर्दिष्ट क्रियापदानां यथोदाहरणं कर्मणि समानवचने रूपाणि लिखत. Good exercises. Everything can do. Apatat is there. Karmani will be apatyata. Alikatam is there. It is dvivachanam. Bhute lang form. So you have to write alikyatam. Akurvan, that will become kriyata. Similarly for these words.
So anrityata, it is ekavachanam.
Anrityat.
Anrityat. So then it is nrityati. So anrityata.
Yes.
Then second one agachyat, that becomes agamyata.
Yes. Good.
Then third one achalatam is bahuvachanam. So achalyetam.
Is it Bhuvachanam? Achalatam.
Achalatam is dvivachanam. So achalyetam. Sorry.
Yes.
Dvivachanam. Achalyetam.
Yeah.
Then fourth one apashyat. So that becomes drish.
Apashyan. It is not apashya. Apashyan.
Sorry, apashyan. So it is
Pratham
bahuvachanam.
Purusha.
So,
Sorry. Pratham Purusha Bhuvachanam. Yes.
so adrishyanta.
Yes.
Adrishyanta is bahuvachanam. Then abhavat becomes bhuya. So abhuyata.
Good. Next person. Krishnan. 6 to 10.
Satam dvivachanam. So asahetam
Ahasyetam.
asyetam akarot akri sorry
Akriyata.
akriyata agandhan, which
Not Agadam. Agadan.
agadan. So agadyanta
Yes.
akhandayatam dvivachanam akhandyetam akshipat akshipyata
Next person. Avashya.
Amarjayan, bahuvachanam, amarjyanta, achumbatam, this is dvivachanam, so achumbyetam. Then apibat, ekavachanam, apiyata, akatayan, bahuvachanam, so akathyanta, atishtatam, atishtatam will be, tish will become sthayate, so sthiyetam, astiyetam.
Good. Next person. Ramaji.
Apashyat, so adrishyata, akartayan,
Drishyata.
adrishyata, then akartayan, akartyanta, then achutyata, then abashyetam,
Abhashyatam.
abashyetam,
Okay.
then avasat, vasat is for vasati, it is ushyate, so
Yes.
aushyata, plus atagama will come, right, Sharanji?
Yes.
Then it will become so aushyata,
Aushyata. Yes.
yeah, aushyata.
Was will become Ushyate. Ushyata. So with Atagama becomes A plus U becomes Aushyata. Yes. Next person, Ganeshji, 21.
Akampanta becomes akampan.
Akampanta is there.
Akampanta bahuvachanam.
Lang. Now Karmani Lang will be
Akampan.
Akampyanta.
So
Can you hear me?
yes, Sharanji.
Akampyanta will be.
Yes, akampyanta. So it becomes akampan.
Why akampan?
Bahuvachanam in Karmani.
That's what I said already. Akampyanta, Karmani. What is given is akampanta.
Right.
It will become akampyanta.
Right. It becomes akampyanta.
Yes.
Right. So next adashat. So this is ekavachanam. Adashyata.
Yes.
Then acharatam. Acharatam. It is dvivachanam. So acharyetam. Then apurayan. This is bahuvachanam. So it is apuryanta.
Puriyanta.
Then
Next one, 25.
abadnat becomes ekavachanam. So abadnyata. Abadyata.
Next person.
abatham,
Abatam.
abatham, dvivachanam, so abayate, no, sorry, abayetam.
This ba means deep thought to shine. I don't think it will become B, becomes Amayatam, you can say. Yes. Amayatam.
Abayatam.
Abayetam.
Abayetam.
Yes.
Anandat. Okay.
Not
So
Anandat. Rishanji, read properly. Anadat.
Anadat. Sorry. Anadat.
You're reading, doing a lot of mistakes when you read.
Yeah. Anadat. Anadat. Anadyata.
Yes.
Ayachan. Ayachan. Ayachyata. Ayachyata.
Ayachyanta.
Oh, bahuvachanam. Ayachyanta. Amarshyatam. Dvivachanam. So,
Amarshyatam.
Amarshyatam.
Properly.
Amarshyatam. Okay. Dvivachanam. Amarshyetam. Amunchat. Amunchat. Amunch.
No, not amunch. But nummagama will not come. That is written bracket is given.
Amuchyata.
Nummagama will come only with this pratyaya follows. In yak
So
that will not come.
Amuchyata.
Muchyata. Next person.
Amuchyata.
Kameshwari.
Yeah, I have a doubt. This IHN is there, no? So we in the chart we took it as the dhatu only.
Very
We
good.
have to take it as diyanta or yachanta. Which one we have to?
Yachan.
Yachan only. Okay.
No. I'm just thinking. Okay. That becomes.
Diyanta.
You're taking the diyanta only. Diyanta. What it is?
Adiyanta.
Okay. I also didn't see properly. It's good. It is either it should, either it should be da dhatu or it should be yam dhatu. Any one of them.
Okay.
Also form will become h. Da dhatu also form will become h. Both meanings are different. Da means to give, yam means to restrain. Uparame. So in both cases, the form will be different. In karmani, if suppose if da dhatu, then you are right. Adi yanta, that is the form, right?
Yeah.
If it is yam dhatu, ayam yanta will be the form.
Oh.
Uparame. So we don't know what it is. So therefore we can take adi yanta or ayam yanta. That is the right one. You are right. Good. Not
Okay.
that's wrong. I didn't hear what he said. I mean, my focus was somewhere else. Okay.
Avarsh.
SG, I have noted. Thanks.
You have to be very, see, this dhatu you need to remember. What are those dhatus? One is gam dhatu, that is gacha, always we remember. So it is not gacha, it is gam, number one.
Yeah, ish, yami, ma.
Ichati also, it is dhatu is ish dhatu only. That becomes icha. Similarly, another dhatu is this dhatu. Da dhatu or yam dhatu will become icha. So whenever the shit pratyaya follows these three plus other dhatus we know that pa dhatu will become sad will become sida, jigra will become that gra will become jigra. Those dhatus you need to remember that in karmani the original form will be there. Only in kartari because a shap comes, therefore the form changes. In karmani it comes, therefore original dhatu will be there as it is. So that you need to remember when those dhatu comes. Okay. Yes. Continue, Kameshwari.
And another doubt also I have for vasati like that. The dhatu is vus. Is it so? I don't know.
Dhatu is not vus. Dhatu is vas dhatu.
Then how the 20th
Vas
one?
dhatu will undergo samprasarana. You can see in the karma.
Oh, okay.
Here you can see that samprasarana happens. Yes, akara of dhatus. Much, vad. Can you see the word file?
Yeah.
Vad, vas, bab, swab. These will undergo samprasarana.
Okay.
Will become ushyate.
Okay.
Ushyata with and agama comes. Art agama.
Art agama.
A plus U will become au. Vriddhi will become not guna. Remember?
Yeah.
Art agama is that A plus U generally what will happen?
Generally, A plus U means guna.
But this is exception. If it is this A belongs to the agama art, then A plus U will be vriddhi, au adesha. So aushyata the form will be. That's what she said.
Okay.
Continuing.
Avarsh.
Yes.
Avarshatam, avarsyetam, dvivachanam. Arohan, bahuvachanam, ruh dhatu. So aruhyanta.
Here. It is varshatam is the, what is the dhatu we have to see. I think the dhatu may be vrish dhatu.
Oh.
If it is vrish dhatu, then it becomes avrishyetam. From this vrish only, I think the word vrishti and all comes. Vrishti means rain.
Okay, yeah.
1 minute. You have to check the dhatu. If you have dhatu kosha, please check. So dhatu may be vrish dhatu. Let me open the dhatu kosha. If it is vrish dhatu, then the form may be vrishyeta. Vrish dhatu. Yes, you can see the dhatu vrish. Number one. In Tenth as well as in first Kannada it is that. Do you see that?
First kana.
First Kannada plus Nepali. Varshati, varshataha, varshanti. Dhatu is vrish. See when varsha then must be guna would have happened. Start for the dhatu must be vrish. And also the word vrishti is the vrishti is rain. So vrish must be the dhatu. Sechare. So karmani will be avrishyeta. Dhatu is vrish,
Okay.
not avrishyeta.
Avrishyeta.
Continue.
Avrishyeta. So arohan ruh dhatu. So bahuvachanam aruhyanta. Karshad akrishyata. Ekavachanam. Krishyata. Then avaman vam dhatu. So avam yanta bahuvachanam. Then ashaknod shak dhatu. So ashakyata. Ashakyata. Ekavachanam ashakyata.
Then arachayan, arachyanta bahuvachanam. Then
Yes.
adarshayat. This is darshayati means darshi I can take as dhatu.
Darshi is a dhatu only, yes. It is.
Yeah, darshi plus yak means it is darshiyate is karmani.
Adarshayat is there. So
So no, the karmani form will be darshiyate, Sharanji.
Darshi, why Darshi? Darshi is a dhatu. Darshi
Yeah.
plus the
Darshi.
Adarshayata it will be. Okay, right?
Oh.
Dhatu is Darshi. Causative form is Darshi. Causative form is
Darshayati is let lakara.
Darshayati. Okay. So dhatu is causative form of the dhatu is
She is the dhatu.
Darshi is a dhatu. So Darshi plus Yak plus Te becomes Darshi, the E goes away.
Yeah, okay. Darshiyati.
Darshyata.
Darshyata. Adarshiyata.
Yes.
Okay. Then apatat, apathyata. Then akridan, akridyata. Alupyan, alupyanta.
Alupyanta. Just okay. Just 2 and 3. Ado nirdhviteshu vakyeshu karmani yathochitam bhutkalarupam. We can do 5 sentences. Balena grantaha, in bracket patyate is the patyate is lat karmani and lang karmani will be apatyata. In keeping with the vachanam of the karma, you have to fill in the blank with the appropriate karmani, bhute karmani, lang karmani form. Okay. Next.
Yashwanji.
Yeah.
Chatraihi nagarani drishyante. So here already bahuvachanam is there. So adrishyanta. Chatraihi nagarani adrishyanta. And pujakena devaha archyate. So pujakena devaha it's ekavachanam. So archyata.
Yes.
Then maya etat karyam kartum shakyate. So maya etat karyam kartum ashakyata.
What is the object?
Shamyata.
Tell me. Come.
This archyate, no, before that art agama will come.
Very good.
So
Yes.
savarna dirgha sandhi, so archyata will come, no?
That will be archyata. Yes. I
Right,
want to
not
tell that.
archyata.
Yes. Archyata will be the form. Yes. When the dhatu is ajadi, you need to remember. Archyata.
Right. So if
That is
it is
one thing.
vowel, then dirgha
Yes.
comes there. Yes.
Not dirgha, actually art agama comes, vriddhi happens. Vriddhi
Vriddhi.
form of a is a only. So therefore, archyata. The next one, maya kartum, etat karyam kartum ashakyata. Here, which is the karma?
Etat, this.
What about karyam? That is also karma only. One is adjective, other one is substantive. That's it.
So,
Karyam is.
so karyam is karma. Karyaha. Aham karyaha.
No. Karya is karyam only, not karya.
Sorry, karyam. It
If
is.
karya, then it can't be etat.
Sorry, yeah, karyam.
Okay. Here it can't be karya. If it is karya, then it will be karya. Yeshaha karya must be that, but it is not etat karyam. So karyam only.
No,
Karyam, karya, karyani. So etat karyam, that is karyam, and etat, that is a karma. Okay. Ashakyata. Okay, continue.
then mahilaya gramaha gamyate. Mahilaya gramaha agamyat. Agamyata.
Okay.
Then tvaya karye kriyete. So tvaya karye akriyata.
What is karye?
Karye.
Me bagu ekavachanam.
Oh, it's bahuvachanam. It's bahuvachanam. Or
Bhagavachanam. Okay, what is the answer you said? Taya karye dash.
so since it's bahuvachanam, then akriyanta.
How it is Bhagavachanam?
Karye is bahuvachanam.
Okay, can you decline karya shabda?
Karyam karye karyani. So it becomes dvivachanam. Sorry.
That's why karye kriyete is there. Otherwise kriya is given.
Right. It's dvivachanam. So karyam karye karyani.
So what is the answer now?
So kriyate becomes akriyetam.
Yes. Taya karye.
Akriyetam.
Okay, next person, Krishnan.
मर्कटैः फलम् अखाद्यत बालकेन कन्दुकम् अक्षिप्यत शैवैः
Shaivaihi.
sorry जी
Shaivaihi.
शैवैः वैष्णवमतानि अखण्ड्यन्त नैयायिकेन सिद्धान्ताः अघोष्यन्त शिक्षकैः विषयः अचर्यत
Yes.
अचर्यत
That is church dhatu. Acharchyata.
Church. What is that? Char
Charcha comes. Charcha means discussion.
discussion.
Acharchyata.
Okay.
Okay, next person. Ramesh Shubhaji.
Madhupaihi madhuni bahuvachanam. So achushyanta maya yesha nyayate. So agnyayata hamsaihi pushkarini tyajyate. So atyajyata.
Yes.
Atyajanta, Pushkarani is Bahuvachanam, right?
How can be
Atyajanta.
Bhagavachanam?
No. Okay.
How can be Bhagavachanam?
No,
Pushkar-
I thought
like,
ni it is Pushkaram, Pushkaram. Like that it won't come.
If it comes in, how will be Pushkarani? Pushkarani is Nadi Shabdavat, Ekavachanam only.
Okay, okay. So, Atyajata. Gopalena Gavaha Duhyante, so Bahuvachanam Aduhyanta. Dhanikabhyam Dhanam Iyate Adiyata.
Okay, next person.
सज्जनैः दुर्जनाः अनिन्द्यन्त then कविना कविताः अलिख्यन्त महिलया शाटिका अध्रियत युवकैः चलचित्रे अदृश्येताम् द्विवचनं then शिक्षकेण छात्रः अदण्डयत
Adandyata.
अदण्ड्यत
Next person. Abhyasa 214. Yathodaharanam yoge parivartanam Buddha. Agastri. So you have to parivartanam. Balaha vidyalayam agacchit. Balena vidyalayah. So you need to know the karma, what linga is that, what linga, what vachanam karma and karta, what we have to change. Karma will be in karma, karta will be in tritiya in karmani. And kriya padam also you have to change in keeping with karma. So 3 things you have to do for each sentence. Yes, you can do.
Right, right. So Shikshakah Ganita Vishayam Abodhyat.
Abodayat is that.
Abodayat. So here we have to convert it into Tritiya Vibhakti. So Shikshakena Ganita Vishayam because remains the same. So Ganita Vishayam.
Ganita Vishayaha you can say.
Pullinga. So Ganita Vishayaha Abodayat becomes Abodhyata.
Yes, Bodhyata.
Oh, sorry. Abodhyata is vowel. So Abodhyata?
No,
it's not.
Buddh is a dhatu. That becomes Bodh.
Abodhyata.
Bodhyata only.
So
Continue.
Itihasa Vidaha Tirupati Mandiram Apashyan. So Itihasa Vidaha. So Itihasa Vidakena. Sorry?
No. What is the Tritiya Vibhakti of Itihasa Vidaha?
I took it as Videna. So Vidaha.
No.
I think the Pratipadikam is different. With Vidaha.
No. Anybody?
Vidwan or
No.
Like we have to take this Itihasa with Suhrut Shabda, like that, no?
Okay. Then Tritiya Vibhakti will be?
With Bihi. Itihasa with Bihi.
Very good. Itihasa with Bihi. Bhagavachanam. Itihasa with is a Shabda. Itihasa, like you can take Sugrata or you can take simply like Marut also simple. Itihasa with, Itihasa vidau, Itihasa vidaha, Bhagavachanam. That way Apashyan is there. First we have to see that that's Bhagavachanam, number 1. Therefore Pratipadikam is, if it is Itihasa vidaha is Bhagavachanam, then ruled out it is not like Rama Shabda. So it is ruled out. So where you see that Bhagavachanam, only Marut and all, Marut. So therefore Itihasa vidaha. If it is, it should be a Halanta Shabda. See it as Halanta Shabda. Then,
No, in Marut Shabda, it is Maruto, Marutaha only. Here it is Daha.
that's okay, doesn't matter. I'm talking about Halanta Shabda, that's it. So
Okay.
Itihasa with, Itihasa vidau, Itihasa vidaha. Then Tritiya is Itihasa Vida, Itihasa Vidhyam, Itihasa Vidbihi. Maruta I am saying because it comes to my mind, it comes to the mind immediately because that is the simplest Halanta Shabda. So, Itihasa Vidbihi, right? Ganesh. So,
Yes, Shanji.
Itihasam,
Itihasa with bihi.
Itihasam Veti iti Itihasa Vit. The one who knows the Itihasa. Itihasa is the history, the story.
History.
The one who
So,
knows.
historian.
Yes.
Historians. So,
Yes. Historians.
Bahuvachanam. So, itihasa with bihi. Tirupati Mandiram, Napumsakalinga remains as it is. Tirupati Mandiram, Apashyan, Bahuvachanam. So, Apashyanta.
How can be Apashyanta? You're doing Karmani. Keeping with the karma. The Vachanam should be. And also,
Right.
what is a Dhatu?
So, here the karma is in Ekavachanam.
Yes, therefore,
So, Tirupati Mandiram is the karma, and that is the Ekavachanam. So, here Apashyan becomes Apashyata.
how can be Apashyata? Dhatu is
Drish. Drish. So, Adrishyata.
Drishyata. Dhatu.
Drishyata.
Okay. Okay, we can stop here. The next three we can do. We can do this exercise in the next class. Please remind me 2 and 4. Okay. So we stop here. We'll continue. We'll continue that in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
Dhanyawad ji.
Okay. Let me ask you, all these, the classes are very simple? Or
They're pretty easy.
Yeah, easy only. Earlier we have done, also it is repetition. Only this
So-
Bhuta column is new for us.
so you want to do this or you want to skip this?
No, doing is better. It's like,
I think doing is better.
We should do it.
You should do it, okay. Okay, धन्यवाद.
Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
Dhanyavad.
धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवाद.